So guys, today I have another Fiesta style property for you. It has off-road parking and a pedestrian gate. This property has got the option of an underbuild, whether you want to reform it or not, for extra accommodation. And we're going to have a look at this now. We are on the urbanisation in Campsole, down from the port of Mathron in the Costa.Calida in the Murcia region. So let's go in and check this one out. So you've got nice wide roads up there, either way. We are just over from the golf club. So literally a 10-minute walk and you can be in having entertainment and whining and dining yourself. So just in here, as we walk in, you have a nice little tiled area just here. And that is part of the underbuild just there, which I will bring you around and show you in a moment. I'm just going to pan around so you get a feel for the outside space. So just here you have storage. I'll show you that before we go upstairs, but we'll take a walk around here first and I'll show you inside the underbuild part. Now you have space here for off-road parking, as you can see. They have got the lounges here using as part of a garden, but if you wanted you could use it as off-road parking. Just up there you've got the hot tub, and I'll have a look at that in a moment. But just inside here is the underbuild. Now you've got nice flooring down here. Just need to good TLC down here, that's all. This is used mainly for storage, as you can see. Great big window there with wreckers on it. And in the living space here, you got a log burner fire. That on top is an oven. You got two small windows the side there as well. You got a fridge just here, and just through here is the potential for a bedroom. It's not a bedroom, but it has a door into a room that I believe is about 18 by 10. It's quite a big storage space. You could utilize this as a bedroom if you wanted to. Okay, so I'm just coming back in to this living space. This is nice and cool down here. It is really hot upstairs, and the people utilize the underbuild sometimes because the weather gets so hot over here in the summer. So just in here you have got little shower rooms already done and plumbed in. You've got your sink there and your WC, and just there you have your shower. I'll bring you in here, and there's your shower just there. Okay, so it's all done for you. You only have to really sort that bedroom out if you wanted to, and of course to sort this area out here. But for the main, it would make a great underbuilt as extra accommodation for maybe a family member or something. Okay, so let me take you out and upstairs and we'll have a look around. So just here you've got a nice hot tub. I'm just going to put the bubbles on for you guys so you can see. And of course here you just have an area where you could sit and have outside dining, and of course you've got an awning just above there for shade. Okay, so we're back down now. I'm just going to pan around so you get a look at this outside space here. So you have the underbuild just there, you've some outside dining there with the shade above, and you got that wonderful hot tub just to chill and relax in, have a glass of cava in the sunshine. So let me take you upstairs. Oh, before I go upstairs, I'll just have a look at this. It's just storage just in here. It's just under stairs, but you can get a few brooms and brushes in there. Okay, so I'll take you upstairs and I'll see you in the living room, guys. Right, let's go inside. This is a Fiesta style property, as I've said. If you've noticed, just under the mirror over there, you have electric wall heaters. You've got plenty of them around this property in here, okay? So just in here is one of the first bedrooms. You can, believe it or not, fit a double bedroom in, but this way across, okay? So you've got switches and sockets there, and you've got a small heater under the windows. The windows are wooden, has insect screen, and it has the wreckers, and just above you got your ceiling light and fan. Okay, so and just in here, just above the door, you have aircon. So that aircon would suffice to do the whole house, to be honest. So a nice living space here, and you've got ceiling light and fan there as well. So just over here, I'm going to pan around for you guys. You have your wall heater, and as I pan around you can see you have your aircon there, and you have a log burner fire. So that log burner fire would keep this lovely and cozy. You have the other log burner fire down below in the other accommodation, but that happens to have an oven in the top of that one, okay? So just through this archway you have your shower room. You've got a frosted glass window, your shower there, and you've got your sink and your WC and your little vanity unit, and you've got an electric wall heater on the wall just there as well. But just come in here, you have the double bedroom. It has a ceiling light and fan. Also you got wreckers and insect screens on the windows, as well as blackout blinds. These windows are wooden, adds to the charm of this lovely Fiesta. And just underneath you have a wall heater as well. I find these little properties very charming, and they're distinctive because they have the wooden doors and the wooden windows. Really beautiful, very Spanish. So let me take you through now, and we'll go inside to the kitchen area. So you have a very compact and bijou kitchen here. You have your ceiling light and fan. You have your cupboards, and down below you have an integrated hob and oven, your washing machine, sink and drainer, and more cupboard space. And just here you got your fridge and cupboard space as well. Just behind the door they have got some shelving. Okay, so this makes a great holiday home if you're looking for a little bolt hole in Spain, or you're a golfer, or just someone single or a couple on their own. So just out here you have your gas boiler. I'm going to bring you up to your solarium. Now, your beautiful solarium with fantastic views up here, guys. So I'll see you at the top of these stairs. They're not spiral staircase, it's just straightforward one, okay? Now I'm up here on the rooftop solarium. It is lovely cool breeze up here. Absolutely fabulous views all around. Literally all around. Beautifully. Now I'm just sitting down for a minute. It's very, very hot. So as you can see, this roof has been totally sealed. It was done 2 years ago, so it's still got 8 years left on the guarantee on this. So the roof has been done, okay? Just need a little painting around the walls, and it's tickety-boo. Little bit windy up here, guys. Nice cool breeze, but I'm just showing you the views from the top. And just over there, I think I might have gone too fast for you. Just over there, those two peaks, that is where the golf course is, and it's literally a few doors up. So 5 minutes across there, and you can have a nice drink, nice meal, and just relax and enjoy. So I'm going to take you back downstairs, guys, and we'll go through the house again. This is a Fiesta Quad. So I'm back down the bottom of the stairs. You got plenty of storage, and your gas boiler is. Some people have changed this and just had a little bistro table and chairs out here, so you could have your breakfast, or you could extend the kitchen a little bit if you wanted and put the stairs to the side. So if you are interested in this property, don't forget to share it on your social media, because somebody out there would really love this property. And if, like I said, if you're interested, contact Dawn info at lettoselltobuy.com or check out our website. So until the next time, guys, see yous again. Have an amazing day.